Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Cooking with
Vanilla
and Chocolate.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be making quesadillas, but not just any quesadilla, it's going to be a layered quesadilla. And what we're going to be using is corn, cheese, green onion, green bell pepper, mushrooms, 3 eggs, butter, tomato, smoked salmon, and of course tortilla.
You don't need to use salmon, you can use any cold cut you want, like chicken, turkey, beef, whatever you like. We like salmon. So the first thing you have to do, we have to break eggs. Or before I do that, we spread butter, or if you don't have butter, you can use olive oil or any oil. But butter is cool, so you spread it on the pan.
And don't forget, it has to be a cold pan. Don't heat it up yet. Let it be cold.
Don't heat it up yet until you have at least one piece of tortilla ready.
So now he's gonna crack 3 eggs, right? And mix it together. Look at those eggs, crack them. So then he's gonna sprinkle some salt and pepper. Doesn't have to be a lot, but you know, whatever adds flavor. We are going to mix the eggs. Mix it. Mix it well. Okay, so now the egg will be poured in with the butter. Just like that.
Half of it, another half will go on the top.
Yes.
So now we place tortilla on top.
And make sure now that the
Now
your
we're gonna
stove or whatever you're heating up with, make sure that's on now. And put it on low. And then we're gonna sprinkle some cheese. Ooh, who loves cheese? I love cheese. You love cheese?
Yes, I love cheese.
Yeah, sprinkle that on the first tortilla.
Then we cut tomato.
And you know, I don't like cold tomato. I know this is so weird. I don't like cold tomato on sandwiches and all that, but I actually like cooked tomatoes or hot tomatoes. Okay, so you're gonna top that with some tomatoes.
And more cheese.
Mm-hmm.
And a little bit of green onion.
Oh, so colorful. I love it when food is colorful.
And now we can put another layer of tortilla.
Perfect.
At this point,
yes.
oh, before we do that, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheese again.
A little bit more, yes please, and thank you. And then we're gonna top that off with some smoked salmon. And like we said, you can put whatever topping that you want. If you want meat, that's fine. Chicken, whatever. But we like salmon.
Again, a little bit of cheese on top. And we are almost done.
Sprinkle that. See
Now
how
we're gonna put a little bit of green pepper. Mushrooms. You don't need to use, of course, green pepper, mushrooms. This is like, seriously, if you just use tomatoes, cheese, and some cold cut, that's more than enough. So basically use what you have in your fridge at the time when you are doing that.
fridge.
Fridge, yes, fridge.
And you sprinkle more cheese, and now you can cover with another tortilla.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Now you add more tomato. Before you do this, you can sprinkle again with cheese. Now we use the rest of tomato on it. Even the smallest pieces. Everything has to be used. Nothing goes to waste. We can now put some corn. Green onions. Really good. I love green onion. Do you like it?
You know what? I like green onion too. It's not bad.
At this point you can use all the veggies because this is the last layer.
Trying to make it healthy. Here's some more corn. You want more corn?
Yeah, let's use all the corn.
Okay. And cheese. Cheese!
Now we can top it up with all the remaining cheese.
And now the last layer, the topping. Woo! Yeah.
And the last step before we close it. You pour the rest of the egg on top of it. At this point we have to cook it for 5 minutes on one side, on low, under cover.
5 minutes has passed, and what we're gonna do now is flip it over, and you're gonna cook it for another 5 minutes on low heat.
Don't worry about the extra egg around. This is the worst part.
You got this. See? This is great. You did great.
Okay, now we're gonna cover it. And voila! Another 5 minutes.
Another 5 minutes has passed, and the quesadilla is ready.
Said woman from Hawaii.
Ooh.
Okay.
All right. Spatula.
Spatula. I'm gonna show it to the other camera.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put it on the plate.
Ooh. Yeah.
Now we're just gonna cut it.
Teamwork. Oh, look at
Can you
that.
smell it?
Look at that.
Mm.
Yes, I can smell it.
Okay.
Wow.
Let's show it to the camera.
Yeah.
Look at it inside. Moment of truth.
Taste test.
Taste test. It's so hot we need to use paper for it
Yeah.
because my wife wants to do it in our traditional way.
Okay,
It's gonna be
ready?
super hard.
No, it's not. Okay, here we go. Wow.
Guys, 10 minutes. That's what you need. 10 minutes and it's incredible. Wouldn't you pay like, I don't know, I would pay for it like $20 easily.
I wouldn't. But that's great because you can make stuff at home, right? This was quick and easy and fun, so try it.
Smells good.
Yes.
You can use, of course, any meat you want. I like the way it's like little bit burn on the sides, but it's perfect.
I love how colorful it is.
Very colorful, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you try it. If you do, please leave a comment below and tell us how yours came out.
Yeah, I think that's it for today. Please subscribe. There's like a red button in the right bottom corner. That would be awesome. And see you next time.
And
Have a
like.
good one. And like. Bye-bye.
Bye.